friends, I welcome you all in 5 minutes information channel episode number 10. In this video I will talk about the data visualization tool used in library. There are two major tools which is used in libraries for the data visualization. One is known as a infographics and other is known as dashboard. In this episode, we will discuss what is infographics and what is the dashboard and what is the difference between infographics and the dashboard. Define the infographics. An infographics is an information picture is a visual representation of information or data. Infographic components. An infographic is a collection of an imaginary chart, minimal text that give us easy understand and overview of the topic. Infographic components. An infographic is a collection of an imaginary chart, minimal text that give us easy understand and overview of the topic. In other hand, dashboard is an information management tool that usually track, analyze and display the key performance indicator KPI metric key data points to monitor the health of any business entity, department or a specific processor, like the library management system introduce how the library catalog is being used, how many users come and how many books are acquired in a month or a specific time period, how many number of times e-resources, article, journal are being used by the library user from different areas. Dashboards and infographics both have the same characteristics. Both have the represent the library data, library user data, but the major difference is that infographics has a static view. In other words, dashboard has a dynamic picture of any library. It has a runtime picture and which can take place, count the traffic in a real time. It can be changed whenever whatever user is being accessed in any segment which you design. For designing of the library dashboard, you need a different types of software like Tableau Public, Google Analytics Chart, Float and others. For the infographics, you need the different types of the templates where you put the data and get the infographic shapes. However, infographics and dashboard both are being used to visualize your library data. This trend is being used in all the developed library. They have create and share their infographics and dashboard data with the top management. It provides a single picture to the library user and library operation. So through the data visualization, library management can make a decision. In upcoming video, we will discuss about the library data visualization software like Tableau, like R, like Float or Google Analytics, so you can learn and apply in your library data dashboard and infographic software. Infographics template source will also discuss in upcoming videos. Till then, bye bye. So please don't forget to subscribe and like 5 minutes information channel videos.